Come on, Ellie. Ellie, remember, there's a delivery portion to this, not just the unboxing. Uh-oh. They're teaching the kid bad tricks. Oh, Mikey's coming in to help. All right, at least the garbage cans are still out here, so. Oh, this is such fun. Mikey, look what we can do. Mikey, watch and learn. I think your Halloween costumes might be in there. No wonder she's ripping the box up. Ellie, what's in the box? What's in the box? Well, that's gonna pop, honey. What have you got? Come on, keep opening the box. Mikey's gonna come help. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. You can get it. Gently, Ellie, gently. So you can carry it. Look, it's a Halloween costume. Oh boy. Happy Halloween. Supposed to put it on before you run around with it, silly dog. All right. We better go save the costume. What have you got? You've got your spider pup costume. Okay, guys. Be nice to the costume. You can share. Fighting over who gets the costume. Okay, we better save the spider. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. I gotta go clean up the mess. Okay. There you go, Mikey. Look at those ears blowing. Okay. And Mikey has claimed the spider costume. Ellie, Ellie, Ellie. Here you go, honey. Ellie. Ellie, look. Here you go. Okay. Oh, Halloween's gonna be such fun. Wear it. At least you like playing with it. It makes it great stuffy. Funny Ellie. Off you go, Mikey. Gotta go clean up.